Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of no Wi-Fi networks found even when your Wi-Fi network is turned on in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Try not to skip anything. The first thing you want to do is open the start menu, type the command cmd function, right click on this and select run as administrator. Select yes to allow the changes. Now check the video description for the commands, but you'll need to copy and paste them into the command prompt. I have them right here. Wait until the command reaches 100% completion after copying and pasting this command. It will take a little bit of time. And once this is done, okay, now that that's finished, close this window. Restart the PC and check if that solved your problem. If that didn't solve your problem, you need to move on to method 2. So method 2 is to open the start menu, type in device manager, open it up, expand the network adapters section, right click on your network adapter. So for example, this one. If you're unsure about the adapter name, go to View Network Connections from search menu to find it. Once you identify the adapter, right click on it and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation. Now click the Action tab and select Scan for hardware changes. After you've done that, close everything and restart the PC. If the issue persists, let's move on to method 3. So method 3 is again, open device manager. From the start menu, expand the network adapter section. Right click on the network adapter that you're using. Select properties. Go to the power management tab. Uncheck the box that says allow this computer to turn off this device and save power. Click OK. And restart your PC and see if that fixed it. If that didn't fix it, let's move on to method number 4. So method number 4, open the start menu, type network reset, and click on it. Select the reset now button, confirm by hitting yes, and then restart your PC. One of these 4 methods should have fixed it. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment, and I'll try my best to help you.